To think I never liked eating pizza. The first time I had pizza was in 2017 and I just didn't like the taste. I don't know if it was a type of pizza, but to me it was just a bread with some sauce and some toppings, some weird topping, yeah. So but making pizza myself, I've fallen in love with it and I just want to make it every week. Okay, so I made chicken pizza and it's very simple and easy. So mix all your ingredients together, your dry and wet ingredients, cover and set that aside to proof. Then you prepare your protein. Now you can use any protein of your choice. You can use chicken, you can also use beef or turkey. Now after an hour, this is my dough. I'll just punch that. Then I'm going to go ahead to transfer this to my line baking tray and then I'll roll. Now after rolling, I just want to use my hands to form a nice pizza crust. Then I'll poke with my fork. Make sure you poke as much as possible for even baking. Now add pizza sauce. I use homemade pizza sauce and then I added my turkey, mozzarella cheese and bell pepper. Pop that into the oven. You will know your pizza is ready when the toothpicks comes out clean. This pizza is so delicious, it's yummy, and if you try making pizza at home, you would not buy pizza anymore. So let me know if you're trying out this recipe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.